Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Unforgetable cars of Argentina. This time it is the IES America. Yay! Well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below, so make sure to go on over and follow him. And well guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. So let's go ahead and let's mosey on down here. Up at the top, it has the title of the collection, Unforgettable Cars of Argentina. And guys, this is the number 59 in this collection. And this is the IES America, a worthy successor from 1986. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat, and it is at a 1/43 scale. And well, hun, do you want to talk a bit about why it's a worthy successor?
Yeah, in the beginning of the 80s, the French car company Citroën decided to leave the Argentinian market, and the engineer and businessman who was supplying them until the moment with, how do you call those things that prevent inside there are like cushioning, so when you hit like a hole on the street it doesn't break.
I guess just cushioning, I really am not sure.
Well, yes, I don't know in English how is the term, and Sailor don't know either, but this guy was providing Citroën with those, and he decides to buy all their stocks, all their stock auctions, I don't know how you call it.
Yeah.
So he owns the company. He changed the name, obviously, he doesn't call Citroën anymore. He called it Industrias Eduardo Sallari, like Eduardo Sallari, his name, Industries, right? And he continues producing the old 3CV that looks almost the same, but well, he creates the America, the IES America, where he makes some visual changes, like in the lights, instead of being round, they are like
rectangle,
square, yeah, and other details. And later he produced the America Super, that also has some mechanical changes and improvements. The thing is that, well, we were, I don't know if you want me to say it,
what?
We were doing paperwork in the downtown.
Yeah.
We saw it, and I instantly told on my mom, because my mom, when she graduated, she chose, instead of having a travel with her friends, she chose to have the old Citroen 3CD, right? And she had a red one. Before we opened from one of these collections a Citroen 3CD, but it was beige. When I saw a red one, I told on her, so we bought it. But then I found out that it wasn't the Citroen 3CD, but the IES America.
Yeah.
And I started to research, and I found out all this history of Eduardo Sallari that I had no idea because, well, I was a kid in the moment. So this is very cool to learn about car history.
Yeah.
And apparently he was
an enemy of the gas pump.
Exactly. Because he used it to burn a lot of fuel. I don't know if the original 3CD was like that too, I guess it was. Most of the old cars
Used a lot of fuel.
yeah. But they had magic.
Yeah. I kind of wish that like they could take old cars, or at least the style of car, and make it like more modern and more fuel efficient.
Yeah.
For me, that would be a dream.
Because also, I don't know, they had aesthetic that you don't see in the cars today.
Yeah.
Right.
It's like a nice.
Just like the old buildings, everything before had a class and elegance, or not.
Yeah. There's just something nice about an old car. Or like old buildings. But well, sadly this company disappeared, right?
Yeah. Apparently at the end of the 80s, beginning of the 90s, it went bankrupt in one of the many crises in Argentina. Like the one we are living now, right? With a crappy government and the economy of the country going to hell.
And here they show like trucks that he was going to launch, right?
Exactly, these are the models that his company was working on, but they couldn't launch them because they went bankrupt before. And it was like the predecessors of today's SUVs.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, it kind of looks like that.
Yeah.
I mean, except this one is obviously a truck, but... I guess these were what, like the examples?
Yeah. Yeah, the prototypes.
Yeah.
I guess they made a few, but they didn't release them like, how do you say, in series.
Yeah. And evidently they were also used as race cars.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
I wonder if in YouTube we can find some footage.
I guess.
Look at those. All 3CVs racing. It's crazy. And apparently there was even, as you can see here, the Formula 3CV. I mean, their own race, yeah. And this was the logo of Industrias Eduardo Sallari.
And here's the back with the title of the collection. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. Oh well, let's flip this back over. And well, guys, now it's time to unbox our brand new car. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Guys, now we have everything out of the box, and now it's time for an up-close look at our brand new car. Boom! It looks beautiful. Don't you think so, hun?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Is it... I guess this version is very similar to the Citroën.
3CV?
Yeah.
It's similar, but it has some aesthetic changes, like more modern lights in the back and in the front. Here we can see in the back, and we can see over the left light we can see the logo of Industrias Eduardo Salleri, but very hard to show because it's very small. It's hard to show on camera. I guess this light also is more modern, hard to show too because it's very small. I guess it was those lights that you turn on when you turn. And I don't know what other specific changes. I know, for example, the front lights are different. The big ones in the original model were round, and here is squares. And as you can see in the bumper also, in the front bumper the lights are more modern than in the original. And the grille, I don't know how you call this central part in the front, is more modern too. And over it, above it, you can see also the logo of Industrias Eduardo Salleri, very hard to show on camera, but trust me, it's that. And I was, and the mirror here, on the door, only on the driver's side. There you can see it. And I don't know what other changes, my mom will know better, I guess. I don't remember the original Citroën 3CV because I didn't exist then. And I was I was a kid when these cars were still on the street. These successors of the original 3CV. And as I told you before, they disappeared at the end of the 80s. So today is very rare to see one of these, but we have a neighbor that has, I don't know if it's this model or one of the Citroën 3CVs. But it's beautiful and he has it very well kept. Right?
And you want to show the top?
Yeah.
I know because we got it because you thought that it was the Citroën.
That my mom had,
Yeah.
But it wasn't, and because of that I started to research and I found out all this Argentinian car history unknown to me until now.
Learning new stuff.
Yeah, and I don't know if this roof was also, how do you say?
Convertible.
Yeah, but how do you say when you take it to the back?
Convertible.
Or retractable, no?
You could say retractable, but in cars it's convertible.
Okay, I don't know if this one was convertible. The model that my mom had was, I guess these two. Rebatable, you don't say? No? Okay.
No.
Okay, no, mix of Spanish and English.
No.
Never mind.
Well, guys, all in all, we really like it. We ended up learning some new stuff that we had no idea about before. So that's pretty cool. Tell me, what do you guys think about our brand new car? Tell me down in the comments below. And guys, while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, be sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.